Hello dear students, I am your maths teacher and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Mathematics Prime. Here we will try to find out the problems you are facing in the mathematics while solving mathematical problems. Now today our topic is solution of a quadratic equation. What actually solution is and how we can find the solution of quadratic equations. So first of all, we will try to find out what actually the solution of a quadratic equation is. For time being, we will take the general quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0. Dear students, the term solution, it means value of the variable involved in the equation that satisfies the equation. Value of the variable involved in the equation that satisfies the equation. Value of variable involved in the equation that satisfies the equation. That satisfies the equation. This is known as the solution of the equation. This is known whether it may be a linear equation or it may be a quadratic equation. But in all these cases, we will say that it is the value of the variable which is contained in the equation, its value which satisfies the equation. So what does it mean? It's which satisfies, which makes left hand side equal to right hand side. So if you can put any value to x that makes left hand side, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, that is the right hand side, then we will say that the value of that variable will become the solution of this quadratic equation. Now in other words, we will say that x equal to alpha is said to be a solution of the quadratic equation if it satisfies the given quadratic equation. How it can satisfy the given quadratic equation? If in place of x, if we will put alpha in the given equation, that is if a in place of x you will put alpha, then it will become a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. So it will satisfy the given quadratic equation, that is left hand side will become equal to right hand side by putting alpha equal. Alpha is a constant, alpha can have any value. By putting the value of that alpha in this equation, the whole equation becomes equal to 0. Then we will say that x equal to alpha is a solution of this quadratic equation. So what is solution of the quadratic equation? It is the value of the variable which is contained in the equation, which is contained in the given quadratic equation, which satisfies the given quadratic equation. That is termed as solution of a quadratic equation. Dear students, solution of quadratic equation, it is also termed as a root of quadratic equation. Solution is also termed as root of quadratic equation. Dear students, what is solution? It is the root of quadratic equation. And what is solution actually? It is the value of the variable. Here is the variable x. So value of x that satisfies the given equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That will be known as the solution or root of the quadratic equation. Now dear students, you will remember that how many रूट्स डज ए क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हैव? एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के कितने रूट्स होते हैं? एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के कितने रूट्स होते हैं? दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डिग्री. दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डिग्री ऑफ द इक्वेशन. That depends upon degree of equation. Here you see that degree of this equation is 2. Since the quadratic equation has degree 2, Whenever it has degree 2, it implies that it will have 2 roots. So number of roots will also be equal to 2. Hope you will get understood my topic, that is solution of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a cannot be equal to 0. So solution of this equation it is the value of the variable that satisfies the equation that makes left hand side equal to right hand side. So for instance we can take x equal to alpha. हम x का वैल्यू क्या चूज करते हैं यहाँ पे बेटा, x का वैल्यू हम अल्फा चूज कर लेते हैं, सच दैट अगर हम x की जगह अल्फा यहाँ पे इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करें, whole left hand side it will become equal to right hand side. So then it will be known as solution of the quadratic equation. और ये भी मैंने बता दिया कि एक जो solution है quadratic equation का, इसको हम root भी कहते हैं. और ये भी मैंने बता दिया कि एक quadratic equation की कितने roots होते हैं, वो depend करता है जो equation आपकी given है उसकी कितनी डिग्री है, और इसमें कितने variables हैं यूज होते हैं. क्योंकि इसमें एक ही variable है, so it's the quadratic equation. So further इसमें जो डिग्री है, that is degree of the equation is 2, therefore number of the roots that will be 2 for the given quadratic equation. Now dear students, there are different methods of finding the solution of a quadratic equation or for finding the roots of quadratic equation. The first method for finding the solution of quadratic equation, that is methods. We will discuss now methods of quadratic equation. Methods for finding solutions of quadratic equation. Methods for finding the solution of quadratic equation. What are the methods by which we can find the solution of a given quadratic equation? So for that purpose, first method, that is known as method of factorization. Method of factorization, the first method by which we find the roots of a quadratic equation. It says that if you have the given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, it's the given quadratic equation. Now you have to find the roots of this quadratic equation by the method of factorization. How we can do this? The method of factorization says that the given quadratic equation will be expressed as the product of two linear factors. The given quadratic equation will be expressed as the product of two linear factors. यानी कि जो आपकी गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है, हम इसको दो लीनियर फैक्टर्स के प्रोडक्ट के बराबर एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, और फिर हर एक लीनियर फैक्टर को हम इक्वेट करेंगे 0. That will give us the value of the variable in each factor. Now how we can do this? It says that the middle term is to be split into two terms. जो आपकी मिडल टर्म होती है यहाँ पे मिडल टर्म, इसको हम स्प्लिट करते हैं दो टर्म्स में, इसको हम ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं. स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म मेथड. स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म को हम स्प्लिट करते हैं, मिडल टर्म को हम स्प्लिट करते हैं इनटू टू टर्म्स. दो टर्म्स में हम इसको ये क्या करते हैं, स्प्लिट करते हैं, ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं इन सच ए वे दैट इफ वी फाइंड द डिफरेंस और सम ऑफ दोज टू टर्म्स, अगर हम उन दो टर्म्स का सम करेंगे और या उन दो टर्म्स का डिफरेंस करेंगे, दैट शुड बी इक्वल टू द मिडल टर्म. एंड इफ वी फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दोज टू टर्म्स, the product should be equal to the product of first and last term. Hope you are getting me. मेरी कहने का मतलब है मेथड ऑफ फैक्टराइजेशन में हम क्या करते हैं, जो मिडिल टर्म है उसको हम स्प्लिट करते हैं इनटू टू टर्म्स. इंटू टू, दो टर्म्स में हम स्प्लिट करते हैं, ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं, और उन दो टर्म्स को अगर हम एडअप करेंगे या डिफरेंस करेंगे, दैट विल बी अगेन इक्वल टू द मिडल टर्म। एंड इफ वी फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट, अगर हम उन दो टर्म्स का प्रोडक्ट निकालेंगे, उनका प्रोडक्ट किसके बराबर आएगा, द फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट टर्म। सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं यहाँ पे एक एग्जाम्पल आपके लिए यहाँ पे लेता हूं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन टेक एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x plus 4 equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation.